Hi, welcome to this video. How to create a new Apple ID on iPhone. To create a new Apple ID, now often called an Apple account on your iPhone, you can use the Settings app, the App Store, or web browser. So we're gonna use today the Settings app. So you can go ahead to the Settings, right? And then just hit the Apple account here. And press Don't have an Apple account. Start creating your own Apple account. So select your age range, let's say adult, 18 or older, right? Get into your first name, last name, birthday, and of course they're gonna give you basically an email to use, right? So you're gonna name your email like Gmail, right, at iCloud instead, and you're gonna be able to continue adding your account. So let's say Adam Mar, select your birthday, say mine is June 2001, right? And then enter, of course, the email address. This will be your new Apple account. Okay, so make sure if you write your email, don't forget to write at iCloud.com, or sometimes they'll prompt you by just adding your own name, and then continue creating your Apple account, right? So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.